me again. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. And yes, that is a new intro because I'm trying to change it up a bit. I don't know if I'm gonna keep that or go with the last one. But anyway, today I'm going to show you all the earrings that I got that are mostly inspired from TikTok. You know, those earrings that are made from the randomest object. So yeah, and I also hope that you can hear me right now because it's actually raining outside. Anyway, let's get right into the video. So this is gonna be kind of a short video since I got like 5 earrings, but that's okay. Because literally the purpose of this video is just to show you all the earrings that I got because I'm so excited about them. Okay, so the first thing that I got is this pair. They're absolutely my fave. I mean, they're not my most favorite, but they're one of my favorites because it is incredibly so cute, and I just love the rainbow design and the cloud design and the fact that they are different and not a pair. Like, you know what I mean? Here's what they look like in case you didn't see it properly, and they are hook earrings, and all of these are hook earrings, by the way, and they are so cute. They are perfect for literally everything. So that is our first pair. So for our second pair, I have this human earrings. They are absolutely so cute, and like the design is so unique. Like, I haven't seen anything like this. I always see the baby ones, but I haven't seen these, and you can actually open them up to actually get the person inside. So yeah, these are my second pair, and I love that there are actual humans inside. I mean, they're not actual humans, but like the design is just so weird and unique. I can't explain it. Also, for some reason, these are called lesbian earrings. I mean, not just this, but like the category of earrings, they're called lesbian earrings. I mean, that's what the term is on TikTok. It's not just lesbian people who wear them. Don't get it wrong in case you didn't know. They're called lesbian earrings, but like everyone could wear them, you know what I mean? Now these third ones are my absolute favorite because they are chain earrings. Like, these are so cute. Like, these are my most favorite out of everything that I got, and look at that. They're not a solid color, but I love how it's actually not a solid color, but they do sell ones that are solid colors, but I didn't like the vibe of it, so I just got these translucent ones, and they're absolutely so cute. They actually look like candies, and I kind of want to eat them. That's weird, but they do look like jelly beans for some reason, and the fact that I could pair this with anything, like I could wear any outfit with it, is so cool. For our fourth pair of earrings, I have these candy earrings, and they're so cute. They're so adorable. And the things inside, like those little hearts inside, I kind of want to eat them. That's just weird, but I kind of want to eat them. I think this one is made out of resin. I'm not sure with the others, but I'm pretty sure this one is made out of resin. It is kind of hard, and it is very durable. Also, it says sweet on them. Earrings, we have this pair. They're strawberry cake earrings, and they are so cute. I actually want to eat them like the rest of the earrings. But also, do you notice the detail on that? The detail is insane. Like, from the texture and the colors and everything else, it's insane how they made this so detailed. Like, it's literally so small, but they managed to make it so detailed. Like, out of everything that I got, this is the most detailed piece ever, and I love it so much. And even though it's like so cheap. I could make any outfit look so classy with this one because they are so adorable, and I feel like designs like these make every outfit fire. Also, if you're wondering where I got this from, I got them from Shopee. Like this shop, this is the only shop where I got them, and they are super incredibly so cheap, and they are so affordable. And you should get some of these, especially if you have Shopee in your country, because they have so many earrings and they are absolutely so cute. This is not sponsored, by the way, but I just want to say that their earrings look so good. I actually wanted to get more. So it is really incredibly harder than when the video started. So I'm just probably gonna end the video here because you probably can't hear anything anymore. So yeah, it's gonna be the end of the video, and I hope you guys like this mini haul, and I hope you guys saw some inspiration for some jewelry if you don't have them yet. So that is it, and I will see you guys on the next video, and hopefully it's the indie transformation one. And I am sorry if I didn't upload last week. I'm so busy, and I haven't edited yet the video that was supposed to be for last week. And I will see you guys next time. Stay safe and healthy, please do, and bye guys.